everyone! Today, we're diving into a super interesting book from the Old Testament, Haggai. It's a short read, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with powerful messages and insights that are still super relevant today. So, let's set the scene. The Book of Haggai is all about the prophet Haggai's messages to the Jewish folks who came back to Jerusalem from exile in Babylon. Imagine coming back home and finding it in ruins. Tough, right? These people were struggling to rebuild their lives and their temple. So what does Haggai tell them? In chapter 1, Haggai calls them out for focusing on their own houses, while God's house, the temple, remains in ruins. He's like, hey, you're putting all this effort into your own comfort, but what about honoring God? It's a wake-up call about priorities. Then in chapter 2, Haggai brings a message of encouragement. God reassures the people that he's with them. He promises that the future glory of this temple will be greater than its past. It's a powerful reminder that no matter how tough things look now, there's hope and a brighter future ahead. One of the key themes in Haggai is obedience. When the people listen to Haggai and start rebuilding the temple, God blesses them. It's a clear message that when we align our actions with God's will, amazing things can happen. Another big takeaway is the importance of community. Rebuilding the temple wasn't a solo project. It took everyone coming together, each person playing their part. It's a great reminder of how we're stronger and can achieve more when we work together. So there you have it. Haggai might be a short book, but it's packed with timeless lessons about priorities, obedience, hope, and community. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next video.